Can you talk me through this basic white fabric and tell me about the different properties?
This is essentially one of the most basic weaves that we have at Bao Minh. What you're seeing here is it's known as a 𝘊𝗃𝗃𝗃. That means that TC, it's more polyester than cotton. And so you can see here with the composition, this is 65% polyester, 35% cotton.
Is the 45, is that the NE? That means of NE45/single. So it's just a single twist.
Yeah, so that's right. So I was just reading this right now. So, we've already established this is a TC blended fabric. Not only is this TC, but we're seeing here, in terms of your yarn counts and the composition of this. 𝘊𝗃𝗃𝗃 means that it is an NE45. And so that is what we had discussed earlier, just about it's your ring spun yarn sizing. And so a 45 falls within that golden grade that what Bao Minh can produce. NEs can range up to 100. I've even seen them go to 200. I mean, these are some very fine, very taught out yarns. Or they could be, as you're seeing here, a 𝘊𝗃𝗃𝗃, which is a lot more coarse, something that you would see more in, could be a linen or just something not as elaborate as a very fine dress shirt. For this, everything that's woven has your warp and your weft. What you're looking at here is the warp yarns is the 45-1. So that's a single yarn.
Interesting.
Now what's happening here is here's your warp. Within these parentheticals is your weft.
Right.
And this is a blend. So this is actually two yarns going in. So you have a 𝘊𝗃𝗃45 that's blended with a 𝘊𝗃𝗃𝗃.
Right.
And you can see it within kind of like
feel it.
Yeah.
You can feel it.
All of that together. So you got three yarns, but two of which have been blended into a single with your 45-1 as your main warp. How that comes down to your density is everything is assessed per square inch. And so 110/70 follows the warp weft pattern. So there's 110 yarns for your warp, and then there's 70 yarns per square inch for your weft. And so that's what, if you go to your design team or QC, they would be able to say, yep, that's what's within the DNA of this fiber, this fabric. The standard within the industry, our finish, our width that can go through the machine, 58-inch usable, 59-inch total.
Right.
And that's something that all of these trading houses, these buyers are going to understand.
Right.
Finish is a regular finish, so there's nothing that's put on this that's an extra, such as a wrinkle-free. It's an easy care. This is going to be going through your finishing process as is. That's going to be your most standard, typical item that comes from Bao Minh.
Thanks for watching to the end. Would you like to produce your product in Vietnam? My team and I offer consulting, factory introductions, factory tours, and production from A to Z. In short, we are scouts for hire. Contact us today at vietnamfactorytours.com. Welcome to Vietnam.